There are three metals: aluminum, copper, and bronze. Please compare the conductivity of all these three metals. Sir, as we know that bronze is alloy of copper and aluminum, and there is a concept in heat transfer that thermal conductivity of an alloy will always be less than its constituents metals or pure metals. There is example in the question. Bronze is an alloy of copper and aluminum. That's why bronze will have the less conductivity of both the metals copper and aluminum. And when we have to compare the conductivity of copper and aluminum, we know that copper have the more conductivity than aluminum, but in our surrounding, in the most of the cases, aluminum is used because copper is more costly. That's why aluminum is used, but copper is more efficient or more conductive, thermal conductive. Okay, Shivam. Can you please tell us about the bronze? Something about the bronze. Yes, sir. Bronze is an alloy of copper and another elements except zinc. But in some cases, zinc may be in little bit amount. But we generally define bronze as a copper plus other elements except zinc. There are mainly three type of bronze. In first is aluminum bronze, second is phosphorus bronze, and third is tin bronze. Shivam, have you heard the name of imitation gold? Something like this. Yes, sir. Imitation gold is a type of bronze in which constituents are copper plus aluminum. It is called imitation gold because it looks like 22 karat gold. That's why it is called imitation gold. Have you heard all these three questions are interrelated, and every question is taken from the answer of previous question. So I want to say that in this video, your answer is the source of question for interviewer. So be careful while you are giving the answers to your interviewer. Okay, you can observe all the three questions. It is taken in that manner so that you can understand what is the importance of your answer. You are giving right answer, good answer, that's good, very good, but you should not choose that word about which you don't know. I want to say only this: you should be very confined, and you should use only those words about which you know very well. Okay, thank you.